protection against coastal erosion and to promote sustainable use and conservation of the coastal zone's natural resources.
To bridge the knowledge, we carried out a number of not only studies but also activities. I think this is the greatest strength of Odisha project, where the major investment had gone in for generation of the knowledge or the information, and that is real kind of treasure for us for kind of carrying forward this project to a real success. In case of Chilika, we have tried to strengthen their research base through 5 very compact and targeted studies. At the same time, to upgrade their laboratory to a world-class laboratory by putting the real-time water quality monitoring system. So now it is well placed to have perhaps the first wetland in India to have a ecological model and a best management system. Integrated coastal zone management project, in fact, is a very challenging task in the sense the integration is the first challenge. I think working together where there's a number of host of conflicting issues, starting from development versus the conservation versus the livelihood. So these need to be, kind of, you have to maintain an equilibrium between all these issues. We have got both kind of experiences, both success and failure. From the success, I think the lesson learned would be capitalized during the ICZM planning, and from the failure, whatever kind of, we could learn our shortcomings. So that would also help us to kind of, during the ICZM plan, we'll try to find a solution to it and try to pave the gap.
Till date, ICZMP Odisha is in the forefront in integrating the concepts of maintaining the coastal management and biodiversity conservation measures. Among 3 pilot states, Odisha has heavily focused on coastal knowledge management and research aspects, along with its twin objectives of ensuring livelihood without compromising the conservation aspects of fragile environment. Continuous innovations following the project implementation timeline and commitment to the stakeholders are the hallmark of Odisha ICZM project. It has now become a national role model for other states to adopt and replicate this model of sustainable development and long-term conservation process.